I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting both parts of a live photo onto the PC, the still image, hike, and the short movie, MOV. Connect your iPhone, unlock it, and choose Import in File Explorer or sign into iCloud. Com and download the original files. Once done, install the Microsoft Hive image extensions so Windows can read the image and make sure MOV files open in Photos or VLC. That gives you immediate access to the motion file and the still, which is essential to view live photos correctly. Now you focus on playing the motion and preparing files for regular viewing. Open the MOV in Photos. It will play the brief clip while the hike supplies the thumbnail. If Photos refuses, open the MOV in VLC. VLC handles codecs reliably and loops playback when you toggle repeat. Make sure to convert to MP4 or GIF if you need cross-platform sharing. Export from Photos or use VLC's convert/save and keep the original frame rate. Doing this preserves the motion and makes the file universally playable. Finish by organizing and exporting. Put each hike and its matching MOV together with the same base file name so Photos and other apps can reference both. Export MP4s for sharing and keep the originals if you want full quality later. If you see no motion, make sure the iPhone uploaded originals to iCloud or retransfer the MOV. Also install the Hive codec from the Microsoft Store if thumbnails fail. That troubleshooting tip fixes most missing motion issues quickly, and then you're done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.